Hi Virgo, ako ulit. Sorry, late na naman. Since elementary, laging late. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron sa'yo, Virgo. Para po pala sa mga nag-subscribe, ang daming salamat po. Ang daming. Maraming salamat po. At saka sa mga nag-like, mga nag-comment, thank you so much. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Past, present, and future. Maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Ang energy na makukuha ko, either energy mo, energy ng taong connected sa'yo, or energy sa environment mo. Okay? So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung anong ganap kay Virgo. 3 cards for my Virgo, please. Ayaw magsalita, day. Living or travel. Ay, saan ka pupunta? God damn it. What is this orphan? Mag-aampon ka ba or what? Or something, father. Specific talaga sa yung father, Virgo. What's up? Okay, Egypt. Egypt, bakit? Anong meron sa Egypt? Living or magta-travel ka where? Egypt siguro, or I don't know. Maybe you're connecting with an Egyptian, or maybe you're connecting something, or maybe sa environment mo, ang dami mong makikita ang pyramid, or maybe sa wall ng phone mo, ang dami mong makikita regarding sa Egyptian history or whatsoever. This is your sign that this is your reading. Okay, kung marami kang nakikita ang pyramid, or marami kang dumadaan sa wall mo ng mga historical kind of regarding Egypt, this is your sign. Okay, if you are not connecting with one, okay, or maybe nasa bucket list mo ang magbisita ng Egypt or something, or may magbibigay sa'yo ng keychain na parang pyramid like this. I don't know, but we will see. So, Virgo, tingnan natin. Living or travel, I will clarify each card. Orphan, feeling abandoned ka? Virgo, feeling alone? We'll see. Something with an orphan, I think you abandoned something, or you abandoned someone, or someone abandoned you, or there's an abandonment here, or maybe ampun ka lang. Mag-aampun ka, I don't know, something with the orphanage, or baka magdo-donate ka, or gusto mong mag-travel para suportahan yung mga dapat na suportahan regarding sa orphanage, or baka nakakakita ka sa wall ng phone mo regarding sa mga relief goods, or nagbabalak kang mag-donate. I don't know, but we will see. Clarify the living or travel. There's a father figure here. Kung ang papa mo is nag-pass away na, or buhay pa, something with the father here. Ace of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. Okay. An orphanage, Seven of Pentacles. Orphanage, clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. Ooh, Four of Pentacles. Father, Eight of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have, Seven of Swords. Virgo, what's up? So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, living or travel, you're going somewhere, okay? Okay. Ito kasing 3 cards na to, it's all about exploring new things. Yung passion mo is mag-i-ignite on something, okay? I think may rejection or missed opportunity dito. If you are, if there is a delay in your travel or living on a certain situation, career man yan, love man yan, there is a delay here, okay? But anyways, clarify ko pa nga. There is a new beginning for you. Ten of Pentacles, multiple source of income. Okay. So, or maybe you are going to travel to see your family here. Okay. And you're gonna explore together, or you're going some places with your family here. Okay, but there is a delay with the Four of Cups. Four of Cups is for me is a miss opportunity or rejection. Okay, but we will see. But Four of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles. I think there is a delay here. Okay. Detour kind of thing. Okay. But regardless, you have the card of leaving and travel. If you are leaving a certain situation, or maybe you are leaving a certain or a specific person, it's up to you. Okay, and you are going to travel or maybe evacuate or maybe I don't know where you go, but something with exploring things here, exploring new things, okay, together with your passion. I think you are going to uh, explore new things na related sa passion mo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. But some of the option that you have, maybe you reject someone or someone is rejected here, feeling rejected. Okay? Together with the Ten of Pentacles, you are heading towards multiple source of income, or maybe you are um, trying to realize how passionate you are on some ideas that you have with the Ace of Wands here, and you are willing and you are ready to explore. Okay, you are going to leave some old situation or old person or old something that doesn't longer serving you at all. Okay, so sorry na lang if saan ka pupunta, sa mga taong maiiwan dyan, lesson learn. Okay. So, kasi meron tayo ditong abandonment or orphan na sinasabi. Maybe someone is feeling left out in the cold by you, or maybe you are feeling left out in the cold with someone. But this person, whomever this person is feeling cannot move on. Or maybe, because all of this is pentacles, lahat ng to is puro pentacles, orphan. Orphan, siguro naman alam natin ng orphan, ampon, or maybe abandon, or walang parents, okay? Kung ititingnan natin sa anggulong ganyan. But kung titingnan natin sa analogy ng ang situation mo ngayon, kung ano man sitwasyon mo ngayon, baka ampun ka, or maybe madidiscover mong ampun ka, or mag-aampun ka, or I don't know, Virgo. But something here with the abandonment issue. Okay. There's an abandonment here, feeling abandoned by you, if you feel abandoned by someone, or something situation, I don't know, but this person, or whomever it is, hindi siya makaka-move on with the Four of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. Or maybe, you are trying your best to cope up some money, inaano mo yung finances mo para makapag-ampon ka, or baka yung kung may anak ka na sa Virgo, baka feeling left out sila, or baka feeling hindi mo na sila sinusuportahan or something, or baka feeling abandoned by something. If you are already have children, but if you are good with your children, maybe this is you, or maybe the person that you are connecting with. Okay, i-clear ko lang. So, kung ano man ang sitwasyon meron ka ngayon regarding sa orphan, tingnan mo na lang ang word na orphan sa iba't ibang anggulo ng buhay mo. Kung saan ka feeling abandonado, or may inabandon na ka, or may aabandonahin ka. Okay, you are trying your best here. Or maybe this person is trying their best, okay, to move on here. But this person is still waiting. Okay, with the Seven of Pentacles, okay. Feeling ko nag-invest na rin yung person or situation, nag-invest ka na rin sa situation, ang situation is meron ng investment. Either way, kung saan, kahit saang anggulo mo tingnan yan, basta may investment na nang nangyari, and there is a waiting game. Okay, waiting time. But this person is trying their best with the Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles for me is holding on something, cannot move on, cannot give like full blast. I don't know kung anong kailangan ibigay, time ba, attention ba, or something. Bare minimum ang Four of Pentacles sa akin, Four of Pentacles. And with the Two of Pentacles coming, Two of Pentacles to the Four of Pentacles, or Four of Pentacles to the Two of Pentacles, is like trying this person's best na mag-move on, kasi alam niyang wala siyang kayang ibigay sa'yo, or walang kayang i-provide, or maybe ikaw hindi mo kaya mag-provide sa mga anak mo, or hindi mo kaya mag-provide as of now. Baka kailangan mong mag-save ng marami, kasi meron ka ditong multiple source of income Kung sa ngayon hindi ka pa nakaka-adjust sa finances mo, someone is feeling left out when it regards to responsibility or supporting energy. Okay, sa mga suporta na word dyan. Okay? Or if this is, clarify ko nga, Death card. Okay. So, in the Death card, together with the High Priestess, something needs to transform here, or it's, merong nagta-transform, may situation ka dito na needs transformation. I think you already know it, what needs to transform, because everything is up to you. Okay? So, nasa sayo ang susi, ikaw ang susi, at sa'yo manggagaling ang lahat ng source. Okay? In any way, shape, or form, relationship-wise, career-wise, ikaw ang susi. Family-wise. Okay? So, with the intuition card, someone is already invested into the situation. This person cannot move on, feeling left out by you. Anak mo man to, or relationship mo man to, or ikaw man to, trying their best to transform the situation, and they know it. Okay. So, they try their best, or kung sino man to, or tinatry mo yung best mo na i-transform ang situation mo itself. Kung asan ka man ngayon, kung ano man sitwasyon mo ngayon, talagang porsigido ka with the ace of wands, because you already feel it. You're leaving something here, but someone is going to feel abandoned by you if you leave something, if you leave, or if you travel somewhere, or if you're going to do your own thing here, feeling rejected, or there is a stagnant energy here, or delay. Okay, pero anyways, malakas kasi ang itong 3 cards na to. Malakas siyempre, exploring, passion, multiple source of income. But you need to live with the living and travel card. Baka siguro sa ngayon meron kang date with the 4 of cups. You think or you feel that there is nothing happening. You feel that there is an offer. The universe is offering you something. But you cannot move because you cannot decide. You need to decide first to live or travel, or you go somewhere. But someone here is gonna feel very abandoned by you. Or maybe you feel the same way. Okay, so kasi kailangan nakikita mo yung intuition mo is nagre-require ng transformation to the situation, kasi ikaw ang susi dito sa'yo manggagaling lahat ng source. So kung hindi ka magta-transform, if you feel mo yung iano mo yung sarili mo into the situation that is no longer serving you, then there's no transformations going to happen here. Okay, Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands is gonna be delay. Ang exploring passion mo dito, hindi yan, may stuck yan. Kung meron kang mentality, meron kang miss opportunity card Okay, so you need to decide here, Virgo. Second thing, it is what it is with the living, feeling left out in the cold here. But you've already invested into the situation. There is a lot going on. So you need to wait what is gonna be the result. With the Four of Pentacles, you need to, ang finances mo kailangan mong i-grip ng konti. Kung medyo feeling mo waldas ka ng waldas, kung ikaw ay Virgo na stable at marami kang multiple source of income, you need to grip your finances here. Pero kung ikaw naman lang Virgo na nagsisimula pa lang mag-prosper, require sa'yo na you need to make your finances intact. Okay, I mean secure. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Yung intuition nagre-require ng transformation here. Together with the Two of Pentacles, you are paano ko ba gagawin to? But still, you're on the process yan. Anyway, I see you here, you're on the process already, but you are just juggling some things. If you can do this or you can do that at the same time, na wala kang maiiwan or wala kang maabandon na, but it's not gonna happen that way. You need to make a decision in order for you to move on into another way. What I mean is, hindi ko naman sinabing abandonahin mo forever. Kailangan mo lang sigurong may asikasuhin ka dito when it regards to yourself, and everything will fall into place here. Makakapag-antay naman siguro sila, or I don't know. That is what I'm getting here. Some of them cannot understand, or some of them hindi nila maiintindihan kung bakit kailangan mong umalis or bakit kailangan mong gawin yan. Even though nai-explain mo sa kanila, meron pa rin haka-haka sa mind nila na I don't understand why you need to leave. Okay? Kahit na in-explain mo sa kanila na kailangan ko kasi kailangan natin ng ganito, or hindi sapat sa atin, or kailangan natin mag-double kasi magka-college na kayo, or something, I don't know, something in that line, Virgo. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito because you are seeing something here already. Pag nag-leave ka, automatically boom, 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 boom. Okay? And then yung mga ini-explainan mo, yung mga malilive behind mo, I don't know. Sometimes, sa nakikita ko dito, hindi ka na rin nagsalita. Talagang umalis ka na lang without explanation or without conclusion or without anything else. Okay? So, kasi hindi ka pa naman sure kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari sa'yo or ano ba talaga ang sure ka na. What I mean, sure ka na. I mean, you can feel it into your blood already. Ugat-ugat mo. Alam mo na, pati intuition mo, okay? Yung intuition mo is nagsasabi dito na you are destined on something big. Okay? 2024 is gonna be a big year for you. Pera, dahil okay, multiple source of income. Pero may mga taong hindi makakaintindi kung bakit kailangan mong umalis, okay? Bakit kailangan mong umalis? Minsan, may mga taong hindi ka na mag-i-explain, naalis ka na lang, and then, papakita mo na lang yung result at the end of the day. Yun naman, nakikita ko dito. Or some of you naman, mag-i-explain kayo, pero hindi nila pa rin nila maintindihan. Okay, so, yun ang nakikita ko sa second row, Virgo. You need to, kailangan yung finances mo dito is on grip ka, and you are trying your best, okay, to minimize or give the bare minimum. Siguro ang dami mong sinusuportahan, ang dami mong kailangan suportahan, sarili mo, mga taong nakapalibot sa iyo, or mga taong dapat mong suportahan, na responsibilidad mong suportahan, okay, but it's not enough. So I don't know, you already invested on the situation, or if this is a love life, someone here is gonna question themselves, question nila yung sarili nila, why you need to go, okay. And your intuition is telling that you need to go. You need to let go on something. Okay. So it is what it is. Feeling abandoned. Maybe it's you, or maybe the person that you're connecting with, or maybe the situation itself. Family mo, kids mo, friends mo, relatives mo, I don't know. You are leaving them questioning. Okay, so but at the end of the day, you're going to be successful with the Ten of Pentacles. You're gonna get the bag. The bag. Okay. I think kung ano yung passion mo, yun ang magpapayaman sa iyo, Virgo. I don't know what idea you have, but I think i-explore mo pa siya more. So, i-cultivate mo pa siya more, yung passion mo, i-cultivate mo pa siya more. At saka with the Ten of Pentacles dun ka. Pero meron ka ditong indecisiveness eh. Okay. Don't miss this opportunity, Virgo, because this is a big thing. Okay. It's a big deal. So, ikaw lang din ang nagpapa-stagnant, or ikaw lang din naman ang nagpapadelay sa sarili mong sitwasyon, okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, with the second row. Sa third row with the Father card, meron ditong 8 of Swords, 10 of Cups, at saka 6 of Cups. Meron ditong issue before. Surfacing. Hindi ko alam with the Devil card. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung 9 of Pentacles. Virgo, yung relationship mo before sa father mo is unbreakable. Okay. But the thing is, there is something happen here. Parang naging selfish ka, or selfish energy to. Hindi ko alam kung ang father mo ang naging selfish o ikaw ang naging selfish. Either way. Kung ang father mo is nag-pass away na, Virgo, I'm sorry for that. But I think magre-resurface yung energy na ganito. Okay, like parang history repeats itself. Kung tatay ka na, or baka yung tatay ng anak mo, or I don't know, mas ganito ang nararamdaman ko. Pero merong selfishness dito. A very selfish. Okay, baka kung nasabi selfish, Devil card and Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is very independent card. They can pay their own bills. They can do their own thing. Very smelling good, doing good, eating good. But with the Devil card, you're just thinking about yourself here. Like, what in the world? Yung, okay, fine. This is the fruit of your labor. This is what your reward. This is pinaghirapan mo. Fine, nandun na tayo. But, what the hell, you need to share it, Virgo. I think if it's not you, hindi naman ako blunt masyado. Hindi ko alam kung either way to, papa mo ang naggumawa nito sa'yo, or yung papa mo, or ikaw. Dalawa lang yan. Either yung papa mo is naging selfish, okay, na pinabayaan ka with the orphan thing here. Pinabayaan ka, bahala kung saan ka maglagalag, hanapin mo kung saan ka mayayaman, or what so fucking ever here. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Merong selfishness na nangyari between the father and the son or daughter kind of thing. Okay, Six of Cups, but this person, tatay mo, namimiss ka na sobra, stuck siya sa'yo, mindset niya is nasa'yo. Di ko alam kung, di alam ng tatay mo kung kailan kayo mag-get together ulit with the Six of Cups and the Ten of Cups. This person is, kung sino man niya, kung ang tatay mo is buhay pa, be thankful, mag-communicate sa kanya, please, kasi mentally, Eight of Swords, stuck siya sa'yo, hindi niya alam kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Aminado siyang selfish siya sa mga action niya before, but this person, your father is missing you, Virgo. But if you are on the side na naging selfish ka in any way, shape, or form, and some point sa buhay mo, na nag-request ang tatay mo sa'yo tapos hindi mo napagbigyan, na meron ka naman na, I mean, I don't know kung anong kagalit mo sa kanya or something na hindi mo napagbigyan. I think you are on the stuck. Ikaw ang nag-i-embody ng energy na to, na nag-iisip ka na gusto mo ng reconciliation or namimiss mo yung tatay mo na you want to hug him or you want to say something. Oh my God, I want to cry. I don't know, Virgo, kung anong, kasi sa akin walang relate sa akin yan, but I don't know, ano bang klaseng energy meron to, napaka-emotional naman. Kung sino ang naging selfish sa inyong dalawa, there is a forgiveness, merong missing energy here. Both of you are thinking each other. Okay? Tower card. Hindi mo in-expect siguro na yung action mo before is very selfish na sa paningin niya or sa pakiramdam niya, or baka ikaw nakakaramdam na selfish na siya masyado sa mga pinagagawa niya or mga binitawan niyang salita sa'yo. Okay, kung nasan ka man ngayon, kaya siguro nakarating ka sa posisyon na ganyan dahil din sa kanya. Or whatsoever, kung hindi man siya naging mabuting tatay sa'yo or ikaw ay hindi naging mabuting anak sa kanya, either way, Virgo. But both of you are missing each other. You need to talk this person, kung sino man yan, tatay mo or ikaw man, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa, kailangan yung mag-reconcile. Parehas kayong nagde-desire ng reconciliation, parehas kayong namimiss ang isa't isa, parehas kayong nagsisisi. Very unexpected na mag-resurface to sa'yo. Okay, Virgo? Ang sign mo is baka makakakita ka ng mga pyramid or sa wall mo, kung saan ka man social media meron. Makakakita ka ng mga ancient regarding Egypt or Nikola Tesla, energy connecting with the pyramid or discover something. This is your reading. Okay. This is your sign. If you are not connecting with the person or Egyptian person, this is your sign. Sign mo, makakakita ka ng maraming pyramid or tattoo or something. I don't know. That is what I'm getting here. So Virgo, tingnan natin kung ano advice sa'yo. My God, parang naging emotion ako dun sa third part. Virgo, you need to connect with your father if your father is still here. But if it's not, siti ka na lang ng andila kasi yung papa mo, kung nasaan man siya ngayon, nakikita ka niya is very, nakikita ka niya in your current life. He's around, actually. Isa sa mga guardian angel mo. Kung nag-pass away na siya sa mga Virgo, na mga tatay na nag-pass away na, he's still there. Okay, tsaka may regret energy siya, or baka ikaw makaka-feel ng regret energy pag naka-feel ka ng ganon. In some case, in some point, ibig sabihin ang tatay mo is nasa tabi mo lang. Okay, pero sa mga Virgo na buhay pa ang tatay, makaka-feel ka ng miss energy na mag-reconcile, or baka ito yung travel na sinasabi ko, na makapag-reconcile ka sa pamilya mo. Virgo, what is the advice? Nothing is yet set in stone. Why, Virgo? Ay, sorry, bakit? My God. Saan siya na, Virgo? Naudlot. Okay, but yung advice sa'yo dito is nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, baka hindi ka pa talaga nakapag-fully decide dito, kaya ganyan ang advice natin, yet set in stone. You need to make a decision on something here, Virgo. If nagre-require ng transformation sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung ano pa. Give me one more card, please. Work through your fears. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong kinakatakutan mo, but you need to work through your fears, mga negative thoughts. A time to give rather than to take. Okay, I don't know if kung saan ka mag-fit dyan, baka ikaw ang giver. And then, emotions are running high. I think your emotion mo is mag-run high while you are thinking about the transformation. Your emotion is running high. Magbibigay ako ng 3 numbers sa'yo. I-google mo siya. Message angel number. Tingnan natin kung ano ang number para sa'yo. Okay, Virgo. So, tingnan natin. You have king. Meron ditong masculine energy. Guardian angel mo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan sa'yo. All the energy. Kasi king, I think, mga nagpasaway mo na lolo mo, tatay mo, sinasabi ko. Or if your father is still here, then something here. Maybe lolo mo, lolo mo. I don't know, but 9, 7, meron kang jack, middle age, maybe 50s, 40s, na nag-pass away siya sa mga guardian angel mo. 2. Okay, so 972, i-google mo yan, Virgo. Message angel number 972. Baka ang message na yan is para sa'yo or sa sitwasyon mo in the future or currently. So sa mga Virgo na makaka-resonate, alam nyo na po ang galawan. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe ka na rin po para connected tayo. At sa mga Virgong hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka masagap ko na yung energy nyo. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.